Midbanig to.
One side of love broke the seaside, and it took it rough when I hit the ground. Then you went your way and I live by. But girl, you'd understand if your heart was mine. If we had an exchange of heart, then you know I fell apart. You feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of heart, I'd never wish a lonely heart on you. It's not your fault I chose to play the fool. One day may come when you'll be in my shoes. Then your heart will break and you'll feel just like I do. If we have an exchange of heart, then you know why I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of heart. Oh, time turns the tables, and soon I'll be able to find a new romance. And then you'll remember my love won't be tender. Too late for a second chance. If we have an exchange of heart, then you know why I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we have an exchange of heart, if we have an exchange of heart. Okay, shout out katigitiya manariman nga dumdumag nagbubuya kita kami ti Facebook. Kata kunan na to ay ang galing niyo po kunan na ni Tio Sel Kenneth June Olares, galing naman mga idol. Terry Ruiz, kaway-kaway naman, mga super galing niyo talaga. Kaway. And of course, apo na pa ni ti Facebook ni Ading Sonia Castillo. At naman balong nagmaya tektingo ti kayang-kaya ni amak ti tatang gusting kan kuwarog. Enjoy much, God bless kanana. Ayan, dahil dito mga po nga palblaw yung kat pimanawan ito ay madimi makitan nagpartak. And to our friend
Rainier Ruiz.
and ninya Gail Antalan ay Bayaw
Kuya
Joseph
RJ naman, Martilio.
Martilio apo nga kanay ko ka Facebook na nagbayat itong tungan ni nga ba panggap iti biyag ni Ilocano. Kat favorite talaon iti gunggunam nga sonata
Ay. Mga manong, Rugis ko man dyan, Gold Digger ni Masong Atoy ti Good San Isidro.
Nakaw ka. Awa mga
Respondi sa atin lipas ko. Ang gramon playing ticket ko.
Awano, nalpasan ti Ilocano tatay pala.
Ang trabaho niya yung Amerika. Adon $2 ko.
Anapay?
At nadua, anagriri. Connect pampasahero a jeepney. Nagbaitan ti dua atami. Dagitoy ti agririri.
Masobraam di ba?
Naganti.
Ala.
Junkin ambong.
Ngaroda. Dire-diretso abo.
Manong Jun. Pero kasi manjikin bigo dito na tasalaan dito yung balwarte. Manong. May tata.
Ate lang yun pa. Ngaroda, dagiti ti hamingan na kantang pangablao yo. Ay, pangablao nga mga na. Ano ka di mo ti kantang nga na pang... Ano, nagbagta tayo?
DJ Sean is here.
DJ Sean is here. Kaya iso dati grand finalist ako para iti to class Walang Talino 2017.
Grabe siya eh.
Oo kasi Diyos kung makahula naman sila ng mga awitin talaga naman pong halos hindi na nila may ibagada amin nga may kantata gadi tayo masungbatan.
Gusto atin, correct atin, posible.
Maya-maya lang ang ating name that tune.
Wala na.
DJ's edition kat kalapasan tayo nga sonata po pugtuan danti sa marunong nga sonata nga rod para ka dagiti naangaw iti biyag dagiti hanga seryoso dagiti nga rod ti sonata para kada kayo.
Didn't say that the joke was on me. I started to cry, which started the whole world laughing. Oh, if I only said that the joke was on me. I look at the skies, running my hands over my eyes, and I fell out of bed, hurting my head from the things that I've said.
DJ Hans wala pa.
So I finally died, which started the whole world living.
Patensyon, nag-text.
Oh, if I only see.
Mamaya pa.
Oh, no, that the joke was on me. Fell out of bed, hurting my head from the things that I've said. Till I finally died, which started the whole world living. Oh, if I only said, oh, that the joke was on me. Oh no, that the joke was on me.
Apo, Diyos ko, tayong paidap na pa iti microphone mo. Hinahinto niya muna, sabi niya, ito yung iyong hulaan na awitin, sabi niya. Okay, mauwagan nga rin po, iti DJs, iti Sweet Radio 97.7. We have DJ Sean, KDJ, DJ Lee, DJ Sam, DJ Hans, DJ Trixie, DJ Chill,
Foxy Heather,
ayan, and
DJ Jordan,
DJ Melvin, DJ Adeo. DJ Adeo. Ganod.
Manay. Good DJ
Manen. Ada man sa baling ang busisun.
Meron ako banig kasya 10. Wala nang igal. Lahat nakatayo.
Apo, at niya kati karabukog mo na yan. Apo, sa tila ng parparto ang buses. Ngarod, atay ko nagtatayan na mauwagan dagiti DJs nga DJs iti Sweet Radio dito mo ti panahon yun tano pumugto tapno damot tinayon ti ilodyo dit ha cellphone nyo duwa gasot laeng iti papremyo nga napnuan ti ayat libre pa Sprite okay agur kata biru ko datay ipapugtutan alakalaeng nga sunata dito yan iti sonata gorkata ba biro ka ba dayta Narad, ready kayo with your name with your alias and the title of the song
always known as
yes i-verify apo iti DTI representative third ni Sir Jordan.
Yes.
Ngarod, dahito yun, didatdatlag nga sunata. Brain Twister.
That have a mansion on a hill, mink coats and diamonds by the score. But the things we have, no man could ever take it. Just the two of us now, who could ask for more? We may not have a big stash away. No one knows what tomorrow brings. But as long as I have you, there's no mistaking that the world is ours to do most anything. Baby, just as long as we have love, the shores we can lean on if we fall. Baby, just as long as we have love, we'll have it all. Just as long as we have love, the shores we can lean on if we fall. Baby, just as long as we have love, we'll have it all. We'll have it all. if we fall, baby, just as long as we had love to show us we can lead on. If we fall, baby, just as long as we had love to show us we can lead on. If we fall.
Apo karupa, natanon mo ng tintay pa nagsisina, kat pagyamanan mi apo. Kat sabi ko mata, dapasit na itat magkata kayo, nga ragsag, is-isam. Kat da kami kumanin apo next week. Alas 12 ka na alas 3, simalan bitin lang apo 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City with our program. At da kami manan, kat ating arud, itikab sa tiyo, manong yung Jun Serialas.
Ken ka na kanyang John Mark Pastor.
Nga kung ko na,
Agis-iso nga, tapos kung ko ka.
Nga arud, iti nangabak, iti contest, awan sa bali, inuhan nga ni
Jordan.
Awang mo, di na nga si mong badita.
Che.
Aguro kata kita ito i-verify naman. Wala siyang baby. It's just as long as we have love. Dahil di apo ti pamagat-nagat awan, tinakaala kadakwada, isong ito na next week, 5 gasot apo ti pa premyo tangarod, manan, dito ti kuyang yu Jun Serialas.
Ken ka na kanyang John Mark Pastor.
Saying, God bless everyone.
97.7
Sweet.